The ITF Dev Kit is available for free download. This pack contains a custom UV set that we will use. You can also do it yourself using any 3D modeling software, such as Blender. If your iPad is capable of handling high-resolution models, you can export the model as desired and pose the model for UV preparation. I don't have an iPad Pro, so I'm limited to many aspects of 3D painting within Procreate. For my low-end iPad, I set the resolution to base with subdivision 0. The most important step here is to replace the original UDIM UV with an ITF single-tile UV. With original UV, Procreate collapses UDIM tiles one on top of the other, making your project unusable. With this setting, I will export my model as OBJ directly to my iCloud. Import the OBJ from the cloud that you just exported into the Procreate app. The project resolution will change to 2048, and if you don't have an iPad Pro like me, you won't be able to use the 4K trick. Because even if your project is 4K, you will be limited to a few layers. However, I will demonstrate how to convert your project to 4K or 8K resolution. If your iPad can handle it, it should be 8K. Save it as USDZ once more. And then import the USDZ file and export it again as an OBJ file. It will not work if you do not export USDZ. You'll find 3 maps in 2048 resolution in the final exported OBJ folder. You can convert and replace them with 4K maps using any software. To make it easier to follow, I'll use Procreate. Go to Canvas and turn on Resample. And then enter 4096 or 8192. You must export it as a PNG to the same location. Do the same for the remaining 2. It should be 8K, but if you plan on going many layers, 4K isn't too bad. Then drag and drop the entire folder containing higher resolution maps into the Procreate app. Unfortunately, my iPad is incapable of handling it. However, Procreate staff tested it for me on an iPad Pro and it worked. Best wishes. In the following video, I will demonstrate how to 3D paint a realistic skin texture in Procreate.